So it's the first lecture. It's the first lecture. Now it started recording. The first lecture in semester 4. We're not going to have a lot of lectures in semester 4. Later you'll know why. So we're going to cover grammar today. It's a new lesson, but it's very easy and it's very nice. Okay. We're going to talk about possessives, possessive nouns, how to form possessives. And the exercises required are the exercises in this lecture and the exercises in your grammar practice book, pages 41 to 45. Okay? Yeah. First of all, we have to know what we mean by possessives, possessive pronouns. What do we mean by possessive? For example, let's say Amal has a computer, so she owns a computer. Okay? And possessives show ownership. So they show who owns this thing. For example, I have a book. The possessive nouns, they show who owns this book. Okay, who has this book or for whom this book belongs. For example, I have a phone. So this phone belongs to me. The possessive nouns, they show the ownership. They show who owns this phone. They show that I own this phone, or they show the possessive nouns show that this phone belongs to me. So possessives show ownership. They show something belongs to someone or something else. Or in other words, we can say they possess something. They possess. For example, if I want to say that the phone belongs to me, to the teacher, I say the teacher's phone. What do I say? The teacher's phone. I want to say that the computer belongs to Amal. I say Amal's computer. The book belongs to Iltaf. I say Iltaf's book. The book belongs to the boy. I say the boy's book. So you see, here I have to show ownership. So when I say, for example, the turtle's shell, I mean this shell belongs to the turtle. Okay? My brother's dish. This dish belongs to my brother. Okay? My kids' toys. These toys belong to the kids. So when I want to show ownership or that something belongs to someone or something else, then I have to use possessive nouns. Possessive nouns. How do I form the possessive nouns? How you might say these ideas using possessives? Let's see. For example, guys, if I want to say that the coat belongs to the girl, the coat belongs to the girl. How would you say it if you want to use possessives? How would you say it? The coat belongs to the girl. So first of all, you start with the noun that owns the thing. So the girl is the owner. I say the girl's, you see, the girl's coat. The girl's coat. Okay? So since the coat belongs to the girl, so the girl is the owner, I start with the noun, the girl's coat. Another example, let's say the bone belongs to the dog. So the dog is the owner. Who would like to try? Hassan? Would you like to try and tell us how to form it? I want to say it in the possessives.
The bones.
Hi, man.
Hi.
The bones dog.
The bone's dog?
Bone dog.
Who is the owner? Who is the owner?
The dog. Teacher,
The
the
dog's
bone.
bone. Excellent. The dog's bone. Bravo. I start with the owner, the dog's bone. Let's have another example. Let's see who can try and write it in the possessive. Or Lana Najdi, yalla Lana. If we say the pencil belongs to the teacher.
The teacher pencil.
Excellent, the teacher's pencil. Bravo.
The teacher pencil.
Teacher's pencil. Teacher's pencil. Dida. Let's try another one with Dida.
Okay. The jump ropes belong to the student.
Okay. So.
The student's jump rope.
Excellent. The student's jump ropes. Bravo. Bravo. So when you want to express possessive, you start with the owner, then you put the noun that or the thing that belongs to this owner. The girl's coat, the dog's bone, the teacher's pencil, the student's jump rope. But notice something, guys, here, that in the first three examples, we added apostrophe. This one, we call it apostrophe, then S. apostrophe, then us. But in the last one, we put us, then apostrophe. Why? Why? You can tell me why if you can figure it out. There's a difference. In the first three, we added apostrophe, then us, but in the last one, we said us, then apostrophe. Notice the difference between the owners, teacher, students, dog, girl. Yes, Iltaf. Yes, Iltaf. Iltaf, you have an answer? Sorry, Iltaf, you have an answer or no? If you notice, guys, that the underlined nouns, girl, teacher, and dog are singular nouns, while student is plural noun, right? Am I wrong or right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can deduce here or we can conclude that we have different rules to form the possessive in case I have a singular noun or in case I have a plural noun. That's right or no? According to what we explained just now, right now in this lecture, in this slide. It's right. Because if you notice that when we use singular nouns, owners, girl, dog, teacher, we added apostrophe then us. But when we had a plural noun, we added us then apostrophe. Why? Because there are certain rules that I have to follow to form that possessive. First, let's go or let's explain the rule for the singular nouns. The rule for the singular noun. What do we do if we have singular nouns? First of all, who would like to remind me what we mean by singular noun? What do we mean by singular noun?
The singular noun we add s.
What do we mean by singular noun? What do we mean by singular noun?
Only one thing.
Only we're talking about, thank you, Talia. We're talking about Amal or Aline. We're talking about only one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. This is a singular noun. So when I want to form the possessive for a singular noun, what should I do? I add to the owner, if it's singular, I add apostrophe, then s. As here in car, it's singular, so I can say cars. I add apostrophe, then s. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. Singular means there is only one noun. Plural means there is more than one. So if the singular noun cat has a, let's see, has a what? If it has a brush, so cat has a brush. The brush belongs to the cat. The cat is the owner. Cat is the owner. So I have to start with the cat. What should I do here? Since cat is singular, so I say cat's brush. The cat's brush. I add apostrophe then s. You see? Apostrophe then s. The cat's brush. Cat is a singular noun. It's a singular owner. So I have to add apostrophe then s. Cat's brush. Clear? Clear?
Clear.
For example, let's say the bottle belongs to Talia. The bottle belongs to Talia. Yes. The bottle belongs to Talia. Now let's write it as a possessive. Talia's bottle, excellent. The bottle belongs to Talia. Okay. Talia, how many Talia do I have? One Talia. She's singular, right? So I say Talia's apostrophe then as bottle. Talia's bottle. So you see, Talia's bottle. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. We continue. Let's practice a little bit the singular possessives. Let's see. For example, let's take Amal. Amal. Yeah, Amal. Or Aline. You're not here. Okay, Nancy. 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 طيب حسن.
Yes.
Yes.
Hassan.
Yes.
Hassan is the only one who answered me. I'm sorry. Please, all of you mute yourselves and Hassan stay with me. Let's have this example, ya Hassan. Read it.
The lady owns the coat.
Okay, if I want to form the possessive for this sentence, the lady owns the coat. How do I write it? As number one.
The lady's coat. Number
Which one?
three.
Number three. What did you use? Apostrophe then S, not S then apostrophe.
Yes.
Why?
Apostrophe then S.
Why?
Because it's singular.
Excellent. Lady is singular. One lady. So you see, excellent, Hassan. Thank you. Lady is singular. She's one lady. Okay, so we use apostrophe then S. Thank you, Hassan. Karim Kirdi. Karim. Hey, Karim.
Yes.
Yalla, Karim. Second example.
Yes.
Second example.
The ladies.
The man. Second example. The man
Coat.
has a belt. The man has a belt. I want to form the possessive for this sentence. The man has a belt. How do I form it in the possessive? What do I say, ya Karim? The man's belt, I add S only to man. The man's belt, I add S then apostrophe. Or I say the man's belt, I add apostrophe then S to the man. Which one is correct, Karim? Number 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. We add S like this to the noun if we want to form the possessive. Jude?
3.
Jude, do you agree with Karim?
No.
Which one is correct?
3.
Number 3 is correct. Listen, ya Karim. Thank you, ya Jude. Man is singular. And what did we say when we want to form the possessive for a singular noun? We add apostrophe then S, not only S. We add apostrophe then S. So we say the man's belt. We add apostrophe then S to the singular noun. We add apostrophe then S to the singular noun. Pay attention, ya Karim. Third example, let's take Mira. 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 Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Yalla,
miss.
Mira. Third example. Frank owns the boat. Frank owns the boat. I want to form the possessive for this sentence. So what do I say? Which one is correct? Number 1, 2, or 3? Do I add only S to Frank, or I add apostrophe then S, or I add S then apostrophe?
2.
2. Number 2, Frank's boat. Why did you choose number 2 apostrophe then S? Why did you choose number 2? You said Frank's boat, you added apostrophe then S to Frank. Because Frank is a singular noun. Frank is a singular noun. Again, I repeat, when you want to form the possessive for a singular noun, you have to add apostrophe then S. Apostrophe then S. Okay? Clear? Clear the rule for the possessive singular nouns? That's it. You just add apostrophe then S to the possessive noun. Okay. طيب, let's move to the practice book, grammar practice book, page 41 to solve this exercise. It's about the singular possessive. So the rule here says to form the possessive of a singular noun, add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the noun. Okay? Yeah. Nancy. Nancy? Nancy? It's the second time I call you and you do not answer. طيب, another student. Amal. Amal?
Yes.
يلا يا أمل.
Okay. Read each sentence, right? The
Possessive form. Possessive form.
Of the underlined singular noun.
Yes.
1.
So they
The
underline the
family
singular noun for
group.
you. Okay, and you have to form it in possessive. Yalla, what do we say? The family trip was cancelled because of the rain. The what? Form it in the possessive. It's a singular noun.
It is a possessive.
Listen, ya Rawad. Listen, I'm asking Amal.
Ah, okay.
The family
We want to form it in the possessive. What should we add to it when we want to form the possessive of this noun? It's a singular noun.
apostrophe
What do we add?
apostrophe
Apostrophe and what? Apostrophe and what? Only apostrophe? I write it like this. The family, like this.
no,
We add only
not like
apostrophe. What do we add also?
apostrophe and
S. We add apostrophe and S. Amal, we add apostrophe
yes
and S after the apostrophe.
and
S. It's a singular noun. I want to form the possessive, so I say families. The family's trip was cancelled of the rain.
was cancelled because of the rain.
Okay, Aline. Aline?
You want Alien?
Yes.
Yes, here.
Yalla, Aline,
My
number 2.
mother.
Went
My mother went to school.
to the school fundraiser event. Yalla, form the possessive for the noun school. It's a singular noun. Don't forget that. It's a singular noun. Aline, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yalla, miss.
Yes. Schools.
What do we write? How do we write it? What do we add?
School and apostrophe on the S.
Okay, apostrophe then S. Thank you. Talia. Talia,
S.
number 3.
The kite tail.
Miss, can I do 4?
Miss Talia is solving number 3. Why do you interrupt her?
The kite tail was missing, so we
Attached.
some ribbon. Some ribbon. Attached some ribbon. Kite.
Kites. What do we add?
Apostrophe then S.
Thank you. Apostrophe then S. Thank you, Italia. Lana, number 4. Lana?
Any class is going? Yes.
Yeah, continue.
Any class is going on a field trip next week. Annie's.
What do we add to it?
Apostrophe S.
Excellent. Thank you. Jude? Jude? Jude?
Yes.
Yalla, number 5.
Yes.
Number
The television screen is old and not working well.
Okay.
You put
Yes? Yes, please continue.
apostrophe and S.
Excellent. Because television is singular, so put apostrophe then S. The television screen. Thank you, Jude. Thank you, Yamas. Rawad.
Yes.
Number 6.
Okay.
Grandma car
Grandma car
needs to be taken
needs to be taken to the
auto repair shop. The auto repair shop. Okay. So how do we form the possessive for a grandma? What do we say? Ya Rawad.
Yeah.
What do we say? Want to phone the
We say
Hmm? Mm-hmm.
grandma's car.
Excellent. Grandma's car. What do we add to grandma?
Grandma.
Then we add
Magical
apostrophe.
E.
Why magic E? Who talked about magic E? We add apostrophe, then S to form the
Oh,
possessive, Ya Rawad.
apostrophe.
Then S. Grandma's car.
Yes.
Thank you, Ya Rawad. Nancy. Nancy.
Yes.
Number 7.
Yes.
Number 7.
The snake skin. The snake skin
Shed.
sheds from its body every few months. The snake.
Okay, what do we add?
Apostrophe S.
Apostrophe S. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay. Ali Hamoud.
Yes,
Yala ya Ali, number 8, please.
I could not wait to watch American favorite pastime,
Baseball.
baseball.
Yes.
Americans.
What do we add? What do we add?
S.
Apostrophe then S. Apostrophe then S. And if you forget the apostrophe, your answer will be considered wrong. Okay? Okay, Ali? Yara? Yara?
Yes. Yes.
Wala ya Yara, number 9.
Does the
Photographer.
okay. That Abdom show his best work.
Photographer.
I can't even say the word.
Photographer.
Photographer.
What do we add to it? What do we add to it? What do we add to it? What do we add to photographer to form the possessive? Yara, what? S, only S? What is the apostrophe, guys? How many times I have to say
No.
apostrophe then S? Apostrophe then S. If you do not add the apostrophe, your answer is wrong, Yara. Pay attention to this. Apostrophe then S. Okay? What should we add to the singular noun? For the possessive singular noun?
Apostrophe S.
Apostrophe S. Excellent. Thank you, Yara. Last one, Amir. Amir.
Yes,
Number 10.
my cousin mother is Aunt Sophie. My cousins.
Okay. Okay. What do we add to cousin? What do we add to cousin?
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe and
Apostrophe then S.
then S.
S.
Bravo. My cousin's mother is Aunt Sophie. Bravo, guys. So when we want to form the possessive of the singular nouns, we have to add apostrophe, then S. Great. Let's go back now to the lecture. Let's go back to the lecture and move on to the plural nouns now. Let's move to the plural nouns. If I have a plural noun, regular plural noun, pay attention. What do I do if I have a regular plural noun? What do I mean by regular plural noun? If you remember, we have regular plurals and irregular plurals. The regular plurals are those that take S. Okay? The regular plurals are those that take S. Okay? So what should I do here? Since the noun already has S in it, since it already has S,
only apostrophe.
we add only apostrophe. Thank you, Ya Hassan. If you read the rule here, it says you add only apostrophe. So example, dogs, we just add apostrophe at the end of it. Okay? Since we already has an S, then we just add an apostrophe. Okay, let's take an example. For example, I say the three girls notebook. I say the three girls notebook. Girls is a plural noun, so just add apostrophe. We never say the three girls. It's wrong. This one is wrong. We never say girl says no. We just add apostrophe after the S of the plural noun. After the S for the plural noun. Okay? Clear? Let's take some examples. Let's practice the regular plurals. I'm going to help you with the first one. For example, the ladies own the business. The ladies own the business. Okay, ladies, listen to me carefully, guys. Ladies are the owners. So I have to start with ladies. They own the business. So I have to say the ladies' business. But ladies is already a regular plural and it has S at the end. It already has S at the end. So what should I do? Do I keep it as it is like this? I say ladies' business, or I add apostrophe after the S, or I add apostrophe and S. Which one is correct? Which number is correct, guys? Number 1, 2, or 3? Guys, which number is
Three.
correct?
Three.
Ah, 3 is correct. So you add apostrophe and S after the S. So it becomes ladies' business. We said ladies is a plural noun. And I already have S at the end. I already have S at the end. So what should I do? I just add apostrophe. So number 2 is the correct one. This one is wrong. And this one is wrong. So we just add an apostrophe. This is what the rule says. Like Hassan just explained and told us, we just add an apostrophe. We have S at the end of the plural noun. This is a plural noun. So we just add apostrophe. What do we add? Only an apostrophe. Okay?
Apostrophe.
Okay, let's take another example.
Okay.
The pen belongs to 2 dogs. 2 dogs. Who are the owners here? The owners are 2 dogs. Dogs, is it singular or plural, guys?
Plural.
Plural, and it already has S at the end. So what should we do here to form the possessive?
We add only apostrophe.
We add only apostrophe. So which one is correct? Number 1, 2, or 3?
2.
Number 2. 2 is the correct one. Since dogs is already a plural noun with an S at the end, so we just add an apostrophe to the noun, the plural noun. Okay? Okay, clear? Guys, clear. Okay, great. Great. Just a second. Let's practice a little bit the singular and the plural together. Let's see. The ring belongs to the girl. I want Karim Bitar.
Belongs.
I want Karim Bitar. Karim Bitar. Can you hear me, MS? Yalla, hurry up before the time ends. طيب Talia.
Yes.
Talia, can you solve the first one? The ring
Sure.
belongs
Number
to the girl.
2.
Number 2. Why did you choose number 2, not number 1?
2.
Why did you add apostrophe and S, not S then apostrophe?
What?
Why is it number 2, not number 1?
Because the
But what?
apostrophe
Girl is
is
what?
before the S.
Why did you add
Singular.
apostrophe? Why did you add apostrophe then S, not S then apostrophe to the girl? Because girl is a singular noun.
It's because,
It's a singular noun.
yes.
When I have a singular noun, I add apostrophe, then
Mm.
S. Thank you, Atalia. Thank you, Atalia. Okay, Lana. Lana. Lana Najdi.
Yes.
Yalla. The second one.
Yes. The bike belongs to 3 boys.
The boy, sorry, the boy belongs to 3 boys.
The boys.
The boy's bike. Which one is correct? Which one is correct?
The first one.
The first one.
The first one.
We add apostrophe and S after the S. So it becomes the boy's bike. It becomes the boy's
Yes.
bike. It's number 1. It becomes the boy's bike. No. Lana, boys is a plural noun. It already has. Listen to me carefully. I'm sorry, I'm going to mute you, but listen to me carefully, Lana. Okay? Okay. Boys is a plural noun.
Yes.
Listen to me carefully. Just listen. Follow me, okay? So, guys, boys is a plural noun. Boys is a plural noun. And it already has S in it. It already has an S. So, what should I do here? Who can tell me? Jude. Jude? Yes, Jude. Which one is correct? Number 3. That's right. Because I already has S in the noun. It's already in the plural and it already has S. I just add apostrophe to it. What do I add? I just add apostrophe. Guys, when you have a plural noun and the plural noun ends with S, you just add apostrophe to it. Okay? Clear?
Yeah,
Guys,
clear.
clear? So when I have a singular noun, I add
Yes.
apostrophe and S to the singular noun. But when I have a plural noun with an S in it, I just add apostrophe.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 more examples. The 4 cooks own the kitchen. Ali Hamoud.
Can I do one?
Miss, can I answer?
Ali Hamoud. طيب
Yes, miss.
يلا يا علي. The 4 cooks own the kitchen.
Yes.
Let's form the possessor for this noun. How do we write it?
4 cooks own the kitchen.
Hmm.
The cooks.
Which one is correct?
The-
Number 1, 2, or 3?
3.
Miss?
3.
Who is the owner here? The owner is the cooks. Cooks is a plural. And it already has S in it. It already has S in it. So I add another S. What does the rule say? The rule says when the noun is plural and it already has S in it, I just add apostrophe. So number 2 is correct one. Guys, I just add apostrophe to the plural noun. That's it. I just add apostrophe. I have the girls book. I say the girls. I already have S in the noun. I just add apostrophe. The girls' books. That's it. I just add apostrophe to it. The last example, the tools belong to dad. So dad is the owner. Dad is
Can I do
singular.
the last one?
Yes, ya Hassan. Yes. Quickly, which one is correct?
It's two, number two.
No,
No,
it's
no, no,
number
number one.
one. Because dad is singular. Dad is singular, so we add apostrophe then s. Cooks is a plural. It already has s in it, so we have to add apostrophe only. We're going to continue on Wednesday. We're going to continue on Wednesday because
Bye.
the time will end. Yes,